Hindsight is a powerful tool in interrogation analysis, especially when evaluating guilty behavior. However, it's even more useful when analyzing innocent subjects since their behavior is relatively straightforward. Though exceptions exist, guilty behavior is typically distinguishable from a typical behavior. Following two examples of interrogations illustrate different behaviors and tactics that can be used during interrogations and how they can affect the outcome of the interrogation. It can also help them identify false confessions and prevent wrongful convictions. Additionally, the examples can serve as a reminder of the importance of ethical behavior during interrogations and the need to respect the rights of the accused. Michael Dixon, a 37-year-old man, was known among his peers as friendly, popular, and reserved. Despite being an introvert, he worked as a trade show assembler, rejecting a presenter's job offer due to his fear of public speaking. On August 15, 2003, in Hamilton, Ontario, Michael was coming home from work when police arrested him at gunpoint. Two officers chased a suspect who had broken into a jewelry store down an alley, losing sight of them momentarily. Michael was the first person police saw coming out of the alley, leading to his arrest. Despite claiming his innocence, Michael didn't resist arrest and offered to help in any way possible. 2 hours after his arrest, he was questioned at the Hamilton police station. Despite the detective's nervous deposition, Michael maintains his self-confidence and poise, displaying a nonverbal challenge known in forensic psychology. Michael asserts his dominance in the exchange, letting the detective know he's the more confident person in the room. The analysis reveals Michael's behavior as an anomaly among innocent subjects, considering the injustice he faced.
Peter, which this is going.
Yeah.
You know, like when I was on the ground, I was saying, go quickly to the terminal. I have like 6 or so guys around me, you know, like talk to the bus driver,
Right.
you know, like I just...
The second example shows Justin's response to interrogation after being falsely accused of breaking and entering, first-degree theft, and assault. Justin's responses are short and concise, showing no interest in seeking approval and only answering questions or stating points. This illustrates how individuals may respond when falsely accused of a crime. Justin's response to the interrogation is markedly different from Michael Dixon's. Justin's short and concise responses suggest that he isn't interested in seeking approval or asserting dominance over the interrogator.
Girl, I didn't do that shit. I didn't break in that house. His God is my fucking witness, dog. And no, hell fucking nah, man.
This type of behavior is typical of innocent individuals who are falsely accused of crimes. It's important to note that false accusations can have severe consequences, including legal and social repercussions. Innocent individuals can face significant challenges when trying to clear their name and may even face wrongful conviction. Additionally, false accusations can damage an individual's reputation and can have lasting impacts on their personal and professional life. In situations where false accusations are made, it's crucial to remain calm and cooperate with the authorities. Seeking legal advice and representation is also recommended to ensure that the individual's rights are protected and their innocence is provided. These examples provide valuable insights into the dynamics of police interrogations and how innocent individuals may react when falsely accused of crimes. They highlight the importance of understanding the behavior of both the interrogator and the subject in such situations and the potential consequences of mishandling interrogations. So that about does it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. Do check out some of our other videos while you're at it, and we'll see you back here again with another video.